I think Tom did that subconsciously. I think Tom did that subconsciously. Tom did that without saying anything. Tom did that without saying anything. Tom really did that exceptionally well. Tom really did that exceptionally well. Tom did that without consulting anybody. Tom did that without consulting anybody. I did that for Tom for free. I did that for Tom for free. Tom told us how he did that. Tom told us how he did that. I don't know why Tom did that. I don't know why Tom did that. I asked Tom where he did that. I asked Tom where he did that. How did you know Tom did that? How did you know Tom did that? I'm not sure why Tom did that. I'm not sure why Tom did that. Do you think that Tom did that? Do you think that Tom did that? Do you still think Tom did that? Do you still think Tom did that? I don't think Tom ever did that. I don't think Tom ever did that. Are you saying that Tom did that? Are you saying that Tom did that? I was surprised when Tom did that. I was surprised when Tom did that. I'm pretty sure that Tom did that. I'm pretty sure that Tom did that. Tom won't believe that I did that. Tom won't believe that I did that. Tom isn't aware that Mary did that. Tom isn't aware that Mary did that. Tom did that on purpose, didn't he? Tom did that on purpose, didn't he? The way Tom did that was brilliant. The way Tom did that was brilliant. It was yesterday that Tom did that. It was yesterday that Tom did that. I still can't believe Tom did that. I still can't believe Tom did that. I didn't really think Tom did that. I didn't really think Tom did that. Tom first did that 3 years ago. Tom first did that 3 years ago. Tom did that in Boston last summer. Tom did that in Boston last summer. Tom wouldn't mind if Mary did that. Tom wouldn't mind if Mary did that. Tom wouldn't care if Mary did that. Tom wouldn't care if Mary did that. Tom doesn't yet know Mary did that. Tom doesn't yet know Mary did that. Tom doesn't know why Mary did that. Tom doesn't know why Mary did that. Tom doesn't care why Mary did that. Tom doesn't care why Mary did that. I can't believe Tom did that again. I can't believe Tom did that again. Tom thinks she did that on purpose. Tom thinks she did that on purpose. Tom did that 3 times last week. Tom did that 3 times last week. Tom did that the way you suggested. Tom did that the way you suggested. Tom doesn't know that Mary did that. Tom doesn't know that Mary did that. Some people think that Tom did that. Some people think that Tom did that. I'm not surprised that Tom did that. I'm not surprised that Tom did that. Tom and Mary did that by themselves. Tom and Mary did that by themselves. Tom seemed surprised when I did that. Tom seemed surprised when I did that. Tom did that without asking for help. Tom did that without asking for help. Tom couldn't explain how he did that. Tom couldn't explain how he did that. Tom was surprised when Mary did that. Tom was surprised when Mary did that. Tom was surprised that Mary did that. Tom was surprised that Mary did that. I was very surprised that Tom did that. I was very surprised that Tom did that. Tom and his brother did that together. Tom and his brother did that together. Tom doesn't understand why we did that. Tom doesn't understand why we did that. Tom did that as he was told to. Tom did that as he was told to. I won't tell Tom why I did that. I won't tell Tom why I did that. I did that, and Tom did that too. I did that, and Tom did that too. I have no idea where Tom did that. I have no idea where Tom did that.